When I think of comfort food for the cold months of the year, I think of lasagnas and pastas and big stews with potatoes and carrots and really warm, comforting, delicious, and heavy foods. Do you think of those as well? Well, I wanted to make something that gives me all those same feelings but has maybe a few less calories, so I'm gonna make a kielbasa dish using a whole bunch of cabbage, which I feel like is a very Polish-inspired dish because I grew up eating kielbasa and cabbage in many different forms. But we are gonna change the flavor profile into something a little spicy to warm us up this winter. You ready to come with me? Now you can use any sort of sausage. I would recommend already fully cooked, kind of the way that we're doing it for this recipe. But if you want to lean it down even more, use turkey or extra lean kielbasa. You can also use a mix of cabbages if you want to change up the texture. So you can use regular green cabbage or throw in some Napa or some, what's that other one that I really like? It's more leafy. Napa and like bok choy. I know those are more sort of Asian-inspired ingredients, but they will work very well in this recipe too. Starting with a pan on medium-high heat, some olive oil, and a lot of onions. I used one big onion and just sliced it thinly, and we're gonna give this a fry with our kielbasa slices. Seasoning it up with salt, pepper, and an abundance, and I mean be liberal with your Cajun seasoning here because that is gonna be that warm and comfort, delicious flavor. Add a little bit more olive oil in there now. We're getting that all fried up, getting beautiful color, and that is when you're gonna add in your choice of cabbage. Turn your dial down on heat and just give it a good mix until the cabbage is to your liking. The cool thing about this recipe is that it is so minimal in ingredients, but it is so bold in flavors. I'm telling you, you let that cabbage sit in all of those flavors and ooh, it is a bite of comfort. I love it. Not a lot of calories, yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you try something like it at home if you're inspired by making something with kielbasa and cabbage. And I hope, of course, you return to the Silly Kitchen to watch more videos and come and say hi. Thank you so much.